green, a little bit green.
Very nice. What's your name again?
Franz.
France. And you're from
France.
Germany, aren't you?
No. I'm original from Austria and I live in
Oh,
Switzerland.
you're Austria. I knew you were. Yeah, you're living here. Yeah.
Yes, here in Switzerland.
And this is a good country, you say.
Oh, I feel the best country of the world. It's very good here.
Not too much regulation.
Yeah, that's right.
Not like Austria.
But you have very intelligent regulations.
Or intelligent regulation.
Correct. We have a lot of them, but they be like your normal thinking. In Austria, you have Germany. It's like you have so many rules for. I don't know for what.
I know for what.
You make it complicated, and more complicated.
Bureaucracy, red tape,
Yes.
government, civil service, jobs.
We have more. They work for the government, and the taxes go higher.
And how long are you a blacksmith?
Only 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
My God.
It's only 10 years. I look only like a blacksmith. It's like the big brother from Brad Pitt. I'm the big brother from Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt's big
Yeah,
brother,
big brother. He can't fight sword fighting, but he make Trojan.
Or Trojan, yeah.
Yeah, but he can't fight.
Well, he
When
can't-
they fight against me like this kind of sword,
Yeah.
I cut him. I give him twice, up and down.
And tell me, what are you cooking on the fire?
No, I'm talking.
I know, cooking.
I make blacksmithing with my tongue.
Oh, yeah.
Do you?
I'm talking. Hello.
Hi. Hast du heute Lust, mein Messer mitzunehmen?
Can you cook sausages on that?
Yeah, I can do it, yeah.
Friends, you should say.
Friends.
I smith sometimes a soup.
You schwitzt?
You look, you can have a smith my soup, my own soup. Look.
Check it out.
You can speak like a soup.
Jaha. Aber det är inte smidigt som en topp.
Water inside.
Inte smidigt.
That's not
Or
illegal.
tea. Or tea.
That's not illegal whiskey now, is it?
Yeah, you can make whiskey too. Hot whiskey. Irish coffee. You can make
Irish coffee. Well, if you keep if you keep blowing that smoke, I can tell you will have an Irish coffee, all
That
right.
is like I'll be sponsored from Marlboro.
Marlboro, yeah.
Marlboro.
Do you sing at all, Franz? No. Franz, do you sing at all?
You think I don't can sing?
Yeah.
I don't can sing. We have a music.
Yeah,
You have singing, not I.
yeah, okay.
I've been paid for Smith. He's not singing. He can better singing than me. You can tell him he can smithy and I go singing. You can change.
Well, I'll do a little bit there. You could.
Will I sing a song for you?
Oh, great.
A hungry feeling came over me stealing, and the mice were squealing in me prison cell, and the Auld Triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. In the early morning, the screw was falling. Get up, you posy, and clean out yourself. And the Auld Triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. There are 70 women in the female prison, and I wish to Christ that there I did dwell. And the Auld Triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal
Good job, Dermot. No, it's hot. Good job.
Oh, look at that. There's the boss.
Hey, Max.
There's the boss of my books, boss.
Well done, Franz.
Okay.
Fantastic. Well
Yeah.
done.
And now